I'll have one.
I'm
Alright,
going
alright.
to see if this. I'm gonna see if this works.
Ah! I can't. Come on. Ow! I am recording this. You cannot stop me, OC.
Jesus Christ Almighty, and all that is holy.
It's quality dishwasher content. What do you mean?
You need to be stopped.
No, I need more angle ability with this piece of shit. Come on! Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh! Okay. It's lined up. Let's go. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. I got it up the first flight of stairs. Just need to get it up the second. But that's where the problem was.
Convention, think of this.
Come on. Alright. Oh, okay. Good angle. OC, I hope you're watching. Come on.
I'm trying to make sure this thing's working.
Okay. Oh, I hear Gregory. Gregory! Ow! I am carrying the washer on my head. Okay, alright. This is... No! Oh my god! Oh, no!
Bye-bye, stinker.
God damn it! No! Come on, you shithead! Okay. New strategy. Oh, wait. No! Bitch! Go! 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 Yes. Okay. Come on. Ah! Oh my god, that worked. Oh, hey! And it landed it. It's pretty sick. Yeah. Okay, alright. Good angle. Stay.
Yo.
Oh, yes! I got it up the stairs finally. Okay, little flight of stairs. That's okay. It's just a hallway. There we go.
I have done something amazing. I looked back just in time.
That's what you fucking get. Stupid little animal bastard. What are you doing?
Welcome back to Half-Life 2.
Welcome to Ravenholm, bitch.
Washer only.
The zombies are not gonna be the ones to kill me. It's gonna be this fucking monster. Ah! I'm at
It took
8 health.
10 off of you.
Oh my god.
It's coming back for more. It's hungry.
Come on, go. I'm so glad the gravity gun doesn't need ammo. Oh. Okay.
I hope.
Okay.
I would hope it would have a fucking cooldown.
Not that I know of. Just a very light one. Oh. Yes! I got it out the door. I am not going to shoot it this time.
Now, how are you going to do anything else? You're now outside
The real
elements.
The real answer is there anything else I can do in life? The answer? No.
Well, you did it. You beat the game.
I brought the one.
Here, brother.
Throw it at Gregory.
Come closer.
I can't.
You've stirred up hell. A man after my own heart. Here, I have a more suitable gun. You'll need it. Catch.
Shotgun.
Yes. Oh my god.
Good. Now, keep it close. My advice to you is aim for the head. Hush. They come. There is no rest in
come.
Move
No.
to the church.
Well, I have more important matters, Gregory. Oh, there it goes! Oh my god!
If you get breathed on anymore, you're going to perish.
Yeah, if
Instantly.
if they breathe on me, I am going to die. But this was all worth it.
I don't think it was.
Please tell me I still have the washing machine. Did it go?
Pretty sure
over
it's
that
on
end?
top of that. I'm
No.
pretty sure it's on that building.
It's on places
That's
never
why
to
it's
be
here.
witnessed again. Look at this pipe.
Dude, it's getting dangerous. POV, my pitbull finds you.
Well. There it is! Oh my god.
Yeah,
Blast. Yes! I still got
it
my one.
continues.
Yes!
Ah, God!
Suck fucking on it.
Every time you fucking hit somebody, it's just
Dude, that couldn't have been better timing. Oh my god.
an elevator. Yippee.
Oh, I just got a text. You need to calm down. My mom
That is
texted me
true.
saying I need to calm down. She does not understand
is very
the
much
power
true.
I hold now. I can no longer be contained. Okay, I'm calling the elevator.
The new
Any
villain. The new
zombies?
villain of this world. Washing machine.
Gordon Freeman
Washer
with the
man.
washing machine. Oh, zombie. Bitch. Come on. Bitch. No. This is a boss fight on its own. Please stop fighting. How is this fucker not dead? Oh, shit.
Well, the washer's ready to go.
Well, the washer's ready to go, but is the elevator? That's the real question. Destroy all evidence. Only washing machine. Alright.
You are a
That's-
fucking menace.
I can only attack unless any of them show up here. I can only attack the washer. Hi, Mitch. How are you? Now I'm in the open world. I cannot be stopped. I'm laughing harder than Gregory was. Okay, I don't trust that. Okay, yeah. Washing machine. Oh my god. Here it goes! Oh, Leroy! Ow. Oh my god! Holy!
Yeah, they hurt.
Oh my god.
Neurotoxin.
Holy. Holy.
Monkey.
Okay. I think I found the washing machine's weakness.
Yes. That.
Ah.
It is going to leave this mortal world.
I'm just gonna hope to God I don't. Oh, I'm gonna hope to God I don't accidentally throw it over a fence.
You're good.
Oh, I'm supposed. Am I supposed to go this way? Yes, I am.
Board here.
Alright. Oh. Just imagine it sets off the car and the Left 4 Dead 2 horde shows up. Ah, there you go. Correct way. Oh.
There's nothing correct about this.
No. This is the correct direction.
Like I
You are
said,
right.
there's
There is
nothing-
nothing right. There's nothing
There's
right
nothing
about
right here.
it. But it just feels right.
No.
Holy. No!
Bye bye.
No!
Finally, the nightmare's over.
Monster, no! I will fucking. Grenade. I will waste a grenade to get that washing machine off of that roof.
Unfazed.
No! You must. Oh! Come on. Come on. Oh! It got knocked over.
Fell over.
Come on. Oh, son of a bitch. Alright, where does this put me?
Cut that.
Oh, it puts me back here. Okay, I remember how this goes. Alright. Come on, Watcher. Let's go. None of you fuckers are coming in when I have the power of a washing machine. Oh, okay. Then you die. You will perish. Ring around the rosy, bitch. Oh. No! 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 Are you fucking kidding me? No! Son of a... Where's my washing machine? Where did it... Oh, okay, okay, it's right down there. Okay, okay, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. That's where I need it to be. That's where I need it to be. It's okay. Go ahead. Climb up, I dare you. You are on fire, sir. Oh, so is the head crab. There it goes. Oh! Ragdoll's not as funny as the washing machine. But I am not taking any chances with that fucking poison stuff.
Toxin levels detected. Automatic
Lord.
medical systems engaged.
Okay.
You're
Try this
still
again.
doing this?
Yes, I am still attempting this. I've reloaded my save just so I can have the
I
washing
hate
machine back. Fuck
hate
you.
this.
Yes! Alright. That worked a lot better than last time. Alright. Yes. Working flawlessly. As long as it does not go on the roof again.
I hate.
If that is another poison zombie, I am... Why do you hate me? Don't
I
hate me
hate
because
this.
I got a washing machine.
Fuck you.
I can't. Maybe I won't be able to open this door with my hands, but I can open it with a dishwasher with a washing machine.
I hate everything.
Come on, buddy. We got a job to do.
Need to
We
be
got a job
stopped.
to do. Come on. Oh, I can't. Oh, oh my god. Please tell me you saw that.
Yes.
You know what? Fine. Fine. Washing-
You can't separate them now. They're married.
Fine. Washing machine wants to go to bed. Alright. He's had a long day at work,
Eepy.
and his body is impeding his sleep. Alright.
He yum big because he's skeegee.
Uh,
Turn that off.